Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to restore backup and how to transfer data on the OPPO F29. Okay, so let's begin. Now, as you can see, we are doing the setup process, so let's move forward. In here, select your language, click on next. In here, select your region, and once more click yes. And click on next, sorry. In here, once more click on yes. And now we have option that we are interested in, which is setup using another device. So it's the first method that I'm going to show you today. You can already see that on the second device the information appeared. So let's click on setup. In here, let's click on Android device. And now we need to scan this QR code using our second device. So let's simply perform that action. Okay. And now I need to verify that it's us. I need to enter the PIN of this device. Alright, then click on OK. As you can see now, it's automatically connecting into the Wi-Fi. And now we have information that the phone is getting ready. And this might take a few minutes, so I'll see you once this loading screen is off. Alright, we are after the login screen, and now we have possibility to log in into our Google account on which we are logged in on the previous phone, and we are definitely interested in that, so simply click on next. Now I need to type the password to this account, so just give me a second. Okay, then click on next. Okay, click on next once more. Click on I agree. Alright, the phone is getting the account information. Alright, now we need to insert the SIM card, but if you don't have one, you can always click on skip, just like me. And now we have option to copy data from an Android device. Let's click on next. Now we need to wait a little bit. Okay, getting ready to copy. This may take a few minutes, so once more we need to wait a little bit until this process is finished. Alright, and now the loading screen has finished, and now we need to choose what we want to copy. So we can copy apps, photos and videos, music and other audio, messages, device settings, and also the call history. In my case, I don't want any of my apps to be copied, so I'm just simply gonna unselect them. And you can see that now it's gonna take about 1 minute. Simply now click on copy. Now the process will start. Now we can set the unlock method, but it is not necessary. We can always do it later. Okay, now we have the Google services, such as use location, allow scanning, send usage and diagnostic data, install updates and apps. Simply click on accept. Now we have possibility to turn on the backup, select photos and videos and other device data, and click on turn on backup if you are interested in that. And now we have the Gemini, which is the AI assistant. I'm gonna turn it on. In here, I'm simply gonna click on skip the Google Pay. And in here, I'm gonna click on no thanks. Alright, you can see that we are almost done when it comes to the copying process. And within a second, we will be ready to move forward. Alright, copying is done. So click on done. Okay, once more, getting your phone ready. This might take a few minutes, so I'll see you once it's finished. Oh, actually, it was really fast. In the OPPO account, I'm gonna click on skip. Of course, if you want, you can create an account right now, but don't worry. If you won't do it now, you can always do it later. Click on agree in here. Now select the navigation method. It can be gestures or the buttons. I'm gonna leave the gestures. Click on done. Now click on get started. And now we are ready to use our device. As you open up the notification bar, you can see that some of the apps are being currently installed from the Google Play Store, so simply don't disconnect from the internet and wait until everything will be downloaded. Alright, so that was the first method how you can transfer data into your new device. And now I'm going to show you how to restore backup from the Google one. Alright, so we are again doing the setup process. And now when you have access and possibility to set up using another device, in here, now we need to click on skip. Now we need to connect to the Wi-Fi manually, so that's what I'm going to do now. Simply type your password, then click on OK, click on next, and again, getting ready to copy, getting your phone ready, sorry. So once more, I'll see you once this loading screen is finished. Alright, and now we have possibility to copy apps and data. Click on next. And now we need to select that we can't use other device. Click on OK. And in this method, just like I said before, we're going to restore the backup from the Google one. Okay, and now is the most important thing. We need to log in into the same Google account on which we made the backup earlier. It is crucial, so remember about it. Now type your email on which you made the backup earlier. Also, if you don't know how to create such a backup, also on our channel there is a video when I'm showing you the whole process, so if you want you can look for it. Now I need to type my password. Okay, then click on next. Click on next once more. Click on agree. Now again we need to wait. Okay, and that's the thing that we wanted to get. Restore data from another device. Choose a backup below, and in here, as you can see, we have a bunch of backups. Simply select the one that you're interested in. Select it. Now choose what you want to restore. When it comes to the Google Photos, Gmail, Calendar and Drive, they are synced automatically. And below you can copy apps, contacts, device settings and the call history. So simply select what you want, then click on restore. Now, if you don't have a SIM card, simply click on skip. I'm gonna do everything as I did in the previous method. I'm gonna skip the unlock method. In the Google services, I'm just gonna leave everything enabled. Then click on accept to move forward. Click on accept. I'm gonna turn on the backup. Click on continue. I'm gonna enable the Gemini, which is the AI assistant. I'm gonna skip the Google Pay though. In here I'm gonna click on no thanks. And now getting your phone ready once again. Now we have this OPPO account. I'm also going to click on skip. Of course you can always create account later in the settings. When it comes to the recommended services, I'm gonna simply click on more and agree. Now select your navigation method. In my case, I'm simply gonna leave the gestures. You can also select the buttons. And if you don't know how to use gestures, you can always click on learn. And thanks to that, you will get to know how to use the gestures to move around the device. Alright, and now simply click on get started. Okay, and now our device is ready to use. Just to show you that everything has been copied, as an example, I'm gonna open up the photos, the Google Photos. Here click on get started, and now you can see that all of the photos has been successfully transferred. Alright, also some of the apps, when you open up the notification bar, you can see that some of them are being installed from the Google Play Store, some apps. So simply now don't disconnect from the from the Wi-Fi. Alright, that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.